Today I'll be making watermelon juice. こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Everyone can make this refreshing drink to cool down in hot weather. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new video updates. Now let's get started.
First, with a sharp knife, cut a watermelon in half. Here, I'll be using half of a 9-pound watermelon. Next, using a big serving spoon, scoop out the flesh and transfer it to a blender or food processor. Remove seeds if your watermelon is not the seedless kind. Pour the juice left at the bottom of the watermelon into the blender. Don't discard the rind. I'll show you a delicious recipe in the next video. Then, squeeze the juice from half a lime into the blender. Finally, blend the watermelon until it liquefies and is totally pulverized. Taste the watermelon juice to check the sweetness. I usually mix in 2 tablespoons of homemade simple syrup even if the watermelon is naturally sweet. It takes off the sharpness. Alternatively, you can always add simple syrup to your individual glass later. To serve, pour the homemade watermelon juice into a glass with ice cubes. Optionally, garnish with a slice of lime and mint leaves. Enjoy this refreshing drink.
If you're looking for a refreshing drink, here's another recipe to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!